Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with a new Follow a Sketch Friday. I am super excited to be joining Sandy again this month in her Friday sketch series. And for today's layout, I actually picked the sketch. So there was a little mix up, and Sandy posted her layout that she made with this sketch last month. So today she's going to be posting a different sketch, one that she skipped from last month. So after today, hopefully we'll be on the same page. She just kind of mixed them up. Sorry. Anyway, so I am using a sketch from Jana Eubank today, and it calls for 3 photos, but I had these 4 photos, and I had just gotten my Scrapbooking Store kit for the month of June, and it was a 4th of July type kit, and I really loved the papers and everything. And at first I was thinking, I'm not feeling very patriotic right now because of things that are going on in America. But I was like, you know what? I enjoyed this part of my life, so why not scrapbook it? I don't need to, just because everything that's going on, I don't need to feel depressed about scrapbooking about this holiday. Even though it is about a country, and I'm part of that country, and we're having a lot of issues right now. And so I decided to use this kit, and I really love how this layout turned out. So I had these 4 photos of 4 different types of fireworks that we did at our home. So it is legal to do small fireworks on our streets where we live. There will be people that go to Wyoming and Montana and they purchase, the illegal ones, but we don't do that. We don't, like to spend thousands of dollars on fireworks because it seems ridiculous. But we'll spend maybe like $50 on fireworks, and we just do them at our house. And the boys really have a lot of fun doing it, and it's something that we can do as a family, and it's something that I really enjoy. I absolutely love fireworks. Mark isn't too keen on them. He doesn't really care. But I have always thought they were super cool, and I love going to fireworks shows. I grew up going to fireworks shows, but Mark is not a fan of crowds and things like that, so we haven't gone to a fireworks show in a couple years. So we decided to do them. I think this was July 2018, and so we did them at home this year. We didn't go to the parade or the fireworks show, and it was a lot of fun. The boys actually stayed up, and we waited until it was dark, and it was a lot of fun. So I thought it would be cool to do a little cluster here. The title cluster is supposed to be over in this area, but since I added that 4th photo, I knew my title cluster wasn't going to work right there, but in the end it actually does. So I'm putting that ephemera piece that is like a firework exploding, and then the word fireworks, and then that star is going to go there too. And I do end up popping up both of these firework bursts, and I absolutely love how it turns out. So I am adding a couple of the little banner pieces from the ephemera pack, and then also this little fireworks arrow thingy. And then I'm going to place, I kind of go through a couple different stickers from the sticker sheet, and then I decide to go with this Family Memories one. And now I'm going to start gluing everything in this top cluster down, and I think that is it. This layout only took me like half an hour to make. It was so simple, and I just absolutely love it. That's one of the things that I really love about sketches lately is when I use a sketch, it seriously takes me no time at all to just sit down and make a layout. And it just makes it fun and easy, and I really love it. So here I'm adding more of these pop dots to this firework ephemera piece. And then I'm going to add my title. I don't really need a date on this one, obviously, because everybody knows the 4th of July is on July 4th. So I'm over in my ephemera and I'm trying to look and figure out and see what else I want to add. And I find a couple of star stickers on the sticker sheet. And so I'm going to add them, a couple of them, in a few different places on the layout. And then this is what I decide. I bring this in from my stash in this ephemera piece that says family. So my title is just going to be Family Fireworks. So yay. I'm going to cut off the extra pieces that are hanging off, and then that is it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you head on over to Sandy's channel and check out her layout for today too. Bye.